Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to create a single line graph in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. Line graphs are perfect for showing trends, data changes over time, and simple comparison in reports, assignments, agreements, and presentations. In this video, we will discover the correct method to insert a line chart into your document or data and customize it into a clean single line graph for better visualization. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment. Now I go some down and delete the image, then we go to the insert menu, click the chart option. Now I am select the line chart, then click OK, then again click OK. Now you can see here three line. Now I am make it single line chart. Now I am select the data of series and delete this, then we can see we make it single line chart easily. I hope you understand this process. You can edit this chart, go to the design menu and format menu, you can edit this. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.